How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video. COVID-19 is like a broken record. I know we're in the second week. We're just coming to the third week now. COVID-19, what can I say? Hold on. Make today awesome. So basically this video here, it's just going to be touching base with you. I've been reading a wee book here. A wee book about old photographs here in Belfast. Amazing. The photography, the nostalgia, seeing some of the buildings that are still there, a lot of the buildings that are gone. It's got me thinking about this section of road that we're going through with COVID-19, and I think it's very, very important, we as photographers or videographers, that we document this. Now, obviously I want you to make sure you keep yourself safe and other people's around you safe and well, so don't put yourself in any situations that you could be, one, getting COVID-19 or also spreading it. So observe whatever rules and regulations that are in your area. But I think you should be documenting, and I've been documenting with the camera, both stills camera and the video camera since it kicked in, and I'm going to continue on doing it because we really don't know what way it's going. But all we've got is we've got this moment in time, and I think it's important for not just this moment in time, but for future generations to look on it and say, wow, this is what they did, this is how they got through it, this is how it affected them. And so start looking for things, start looking for signs that are, buildings are closed down or premises are closed down. I'm just dancing about with the camera. When you're out exercising, take the camera with you and look for things and start documenting it. Keep them in a folder on your computer, in a separate folder solely for COVID-19. And I think we've got a great opportunity to document this section of road. Now there's a couple of reasons why I think it'll be good for you, because when you're going through something and if you're constantly being bombarded with outside influence about what way you should think, what way you should behave, you sort of on most occasions feel powerless to it. And what I'm thinking is when you're taking photographs, you're taking away that power because your mindset is going to be focused on something else. And I actually do think it depowers the situation. And if you're taking photographs of signs and things, start to create a story of it. And I guarantee you, when you look back on it, you'll say, I'm glad I did it. So that would be what I would recommend you to do, is to get out when you're out doing your exercises, or even at home. You could be documenting your family life. You know what I mean? You could be documenting what's happening. Make it important to you. It could be if you have family members there and you're sitting around playing board games or, on the internet. Start documenting it. Start to record it. Those loved ones that you're visiting and you may not be able to get into the homes and they're looking through the window, maybe take photographs of that. But I think it's very, very important that we should be documenting it. Drop me any links down below in the comment section of your websites or where you've actually got photographs up. Are you already doing it? Give me tips. Give us some tricks and we'll all get documenting this together. So guys, listen, I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to get this wee cup of tea. I'm going to finish off this book. I'm going to get inspired and empowered. The people who took these photographs and the people who's in these photographs, like someone was taken over 100 odd years ago. Obviously a lot of people have passed on. But it's recorded like the First World War or the Second World War and, 1800s. And they're all wee slices of time. COVID-19, this section of road is the exact same. Getting blinded here with the sun. So document it, guys. Keep safe. Look after yourselves, look after each other. Don't put yourself in any tricky situation. Know them, send you love from Belfast. Thanks very much for all your love and support on the channel. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. You can check me on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and rambleswithmycamera.com. I'll see you in the next video.